have 8 arms and a motherfucking beak. No, I'm not a fish, but I am a fucking freak of nature. I shoot a column of water to move. Did I mention that I have a beak? I can squeeze my body through a centimeter hole. I can change my color. I have tentacles. I have creepy eyes and I would like to look at you. I'm a fucking octopus and I will rule. I'm coming out of the water. I'm coming out of the water. Octopus is out the water. I'm coming out the water for you. Here I come, land octopus. I've got my tennis shoes on and I'm killing motherfuckers everywhere. If you startle me, I will squirt some ink and disappear into the deep. Don't fuck with me. I have a hood. I have huge weird eyes. I have a beak. I am the thing of nightmares. Here I come. I get my hands on you. Oh, by the way, I have suction cups all over me. Ha 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 ha! Here I come. I'm an octopus. I just killed a fish. I am smarter than the average human being. I am an alien. We were here before, we'll be here when you leave. I'm a fucking octopus, you see. I am an alien from deep in space. Look at my motherfucking octopus face. I'm an octopus. Don't be an octopus, eh? Bitch, be gone on a wave of air and water. I have jet propulsion. I shoot a stream of water. Oh, there goes the squid. Look at him. Showboat. Octopus out of water. Nature's out of water. And the octopus out of water. Marco Polo. Octopus out of water. Marco Polo. Oh no! Octopus out of water. Ha 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 ha. I'm coming for your children. Oh, ha 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 ha. Is that a poodle? Yeah, poodle by the waterside. Fuck it, I'll take out a crocodile. I'm a badass. Mollusk, clam, shellfish. Gobble, 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 gobble. I'm an octopus and I have 7 arms. I intend to do you harm. I come here on jet stream water. I am here to kill your daughter. I've got tentacles and I've got suction cups. What the fox? I'm a creature from the nightmare. I can change color. I can change shape. I can squeeze my body through a centimeter hole. I have a fucking beak, you see, and I'm not a bird. What the fuck? He's an octopus. He's a what the fuck? 99 fishes coming out the water. Oh, the world is getting harder, and I I'm coming out the water. Here I come. I'm covered in goo. And I'm fucking looking. I'm looking for you. Hope you didn't leave your porch unlatched. Cause I'm coming up and I'm squishing and I'm being like bleh, bleh. And then I'm suction cupping onto your face. Knock knock, who's there? Octopus out the water. Peace, I'm out of here. Suck a tuna. Eat a bag of dicks, dolphins. I got your mahi mahi right here, you fucking turd fish.